I got them. I finally got them. Hi everybody, this is Untitled back another night, very late night with another unboxing. Super tired, a lot of back pain, but I just couldn't wait anymore to unbox these. I might be the last person on earth to get them, but this time I don't care at all. And I'm still doing the unboxing video because a lot of you guys like the shoes and they are not too expensive at StockX. So they're worth the resale price. This is the Air Jordan 13 Flint Gray. And when the Air Jordan 13 was released in 1997, I thought it was ugly. Looked like an elephant foot. Very clumsy. But then, of course, after watching He Got Game, we all started to like them. But it took a while until I got myself a pair. And when I got them, I just love the Air Jordan 13. They are super comfortable. One of my favorites. Oh, it's the gray box. So back to the Flint Gray. They were released first in 1998. As I said, I didn't bother too much about the Air Jordan 13 back then. I was a Shaq guy, didn't bother. But when they were released in, let me see now, 2005, I wanted them, but back then I didn't have any way to get shoes from US. 2005. Yes, we had internet, of course, but I had no connection. I didn't know how to order shoes from US. Back then I ordered everything from Caliroos, and they did not have these shoes. I like the gray box, the silver box. Let me see now, 98, 2005, 2010, we got them in retro, but I didn't like them at all. They didn't have a 3M. It's not a super beautiful shoe, it's just that I liked them, I really liked them. So 2010, they were a bit off. They didn't have a 3M reflective. Air Jordan 13 should have that if it's not something super special. And the gray was, I have only seen them in pictures I think, but the gray is too dark. So it's not the Flint Gray, it's really dark gray. And yeah, I didn't like the 2010 model at all. But like 5 years later, like 2015, I thought I should really get me a pair. And then I wanted the 2005, of course. But they were kind of expensive, hard to get any dead stock. So, about 3 years ago, 2017, there were rumors about the shoes getting dropped again. I was super hyped. They didn't get released. Postponed. 2018, new rumors. 2019, we saw pictures of them that they were going to be released. And they were just postponed and postponed and pushed forward. And this whole year, to 2020, everything has been postponed and pushed forward. And I'm pretty sure these were released a couple of months ago in the US. But here in Sweden, we finally have them through Soul Story. So thanks Soul Story. You might get the releases this year a bit late. I don't care. I got them. I finally got them. Looks a bit slim. As I said, I like the Air Jordan 13 because it's very comfortable. It fits you guys with wide feet. But these look a bit small, I must say. I hope they are US 12. Yeah, US 12. I'm gonna put them on foot and let you know what I think. But it's a clean looking shoe. It's the third Air Jordan 8 in order to be released. 8, excuse me, 13. I was tired. It's the third one to be released. We first had the He Got Game. I don't know where my shoes are. And then we have the red and white ones that I don't think I have. I should have those. If not, I hope they will be released soon because I should have them. I think they're called Cherry or something. I don't know. And then this were the third one. And it's a clean, good-looking shoe. It's not too flashy. Of course, you like blue and the gray. I really like gray sneakers. I do. Gray suede. The reflective. I'm gonna show you the reflective if it's possible. Very cool shoe. So that's it. I don't have too much to say about them because you have seen unboxing videos about these shoes for months now, hundreds of videos, and I don't have too much more to say except from my story. And my story is that I didn't buy them in '98. I wanted them in 2005, didn't know how to get them. 2010 I was disappointed, and now I've been waiting since 2017, at least for me since 2015, 14, 15. But the rumors have been for at least 3 years that these were going to be released. And in modern times, I don't know what to do with that. As I said, super tired. In modern times, these are the most hyped Air Jordan 13. Yeah. Because the Chinese New Year, nobody cared about those. And we haven't had too many 13, I think. But either way, most hyped. Even people that doesn't like the Air Jordan 13 usually, and people that don't like Jordans, everybody like these. So kind of high, but they're not super expensive on StockX and Goat. I think my size go for like $300, and they were released in large numbers and a couple of different dates: US, Europe, and Sweden. So they shouldn't be hard to get. On foot. I hope you enjoy my video even though I'm super tired and I have a lot of pain in my back. But I'm an old man, old sneakerhead that are happy that I got them. Before I put them on foot, I want to show you the 3M. You see, this is how our Air Jordan 13 should look. Really powerful, reflective 3M. Super cool. And as you know, this only shows when you take pictures of the shoes with flash, or as I do, film it with flash on or flashlight on. But this is the way Air Jordan 13 should be, no matter the color. As usual, the Air Jordan 13 are comfortable as soon as you put them on, and they look even better on foot. This is though a shoe that I must lace because the lacing system is so easy to tighten. So if I don't tie the knot, and they're gonna get loose when I walk. But usually this is how I wear my shoes. No problems at all. No quality problems. No fitment problems. They fit true to size. I'm a wide US 12. They fit me perfectly. They are comfortable. They are great looking. I have absolutely nothing to complain about. A casual looking sneaker. And I'm gonna show you the 3M again. Casual looking sneaker that are also flashy. And I think that even people, because I uh, I like it when a non-sneakerhead give me a compliment about my shoes. And this is a pair of shoes that I think that normal people, so-called normal people, will give me compliments for. I think so, at least. Either way, I don't care. I'm super happy that I got them. I'm super happy that they are retro master, as I call them, true to the original. We have the 3M. The suede is nice. The fitment is nice. No quality issues. I'm super happy. Did you get them? Do you want them? Do you think they are worth the resale price? Are you going to get them? Let me know. Thanks for watching. And Soul Story, thanks for getting me the shoes.